You know, it still hasn't been disclosed whether or not that bullet to the brain of his was he shot himself or it was police. But what we do know is he was hospitalized for so long, that's what kept him out of the courtroom. Right now, by some accounts, his condition is kind of like somebody who had a stroke. 44-year-old Aminadab Gahiola Gonzalez sat in a wheelchair with a white protective helmet. It took more than 3 months for the suspect to get medical clearance to be in court. The day of the mass shooting at Unified Homes in Orange, he sustained a gunshot to the head. Surgeons removed part of his brain to remove the bullet. Thursday, he mostly looked straight ahead and only briefly looked toward his attorneys in conversation. At issue is whether he truly is capable of contributing to his defense.
Inform the court that the defense has concluded that Mr. Gahiola Gonzalez is at this time mentally incompetent to assist counsel in his defense. Furthermore, we believe that he may even not be able to understand the criminal proceedings against him.
Now the defense and the people will each appoint a doctor to evaluate his competency.
The court is going to suspend criminal proceedings at this time and appoint doctors to evaluate Mr. Gahiola Gonzalez for this purpose.
On March 31st, Gahiola Gonzalez is accused of coming to Unified Homes, and police say he wrapped bicycle locks around the gates to slow their response. His wife worked here, but was not there at the time of the shooting that left 4 people dead, including a 9-year-old boy. The boy's mother survived, but was hospitalized with serious injuries. Alec Torres is a friend of one of the victims.
It's a bummer to have to wait this long to get answers.
Torres understands why the delay, but
it's hard to say with the situation and his incompetence and what he knows and what if he's playing the part, if it's a reality. Only the courts will be able to tell us that in time.
All right, so the criminal proceedings suspended. The suspect is scheduled to be back in court by August 6th, but that is if the evaluating doctors can make their assessment before that time. Reporting live in Santa Ana, I'm Susan Hirasuna. Back to you.
Susan, has the suspect's attorney had any successful communication with him?
Well, there were a lot of questions that we wanted to ask of the public defender, and that is definitely one that he refused to answer. And if you think about it, it makes sense if right now he is the one who is saying that he is mentally incompetent to assist in his own defense. And of course, that is a constitutional right. Alex?
Susan, thank you so much.